Safety warning for preparing sushi and using a kitchen torch. Important safety warning. When preparing sushi, always choose sushi-grade fish from a trusted, reputable source to ensure it's safe for raw consumption. Check for freshness. Look for clear eyes, bright red gills, and a clean ocean smell. If you're unsure, consult your fishmonger or avoid raw fish to prevent foodborne illness. When using a kitchen torch for dishes like crème brûlée, keep flammable items away, work in a well-ventilated area, and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Never leave the torch unattended, and keep it out of reach of children. Stay safe and enjoy cooking.
7 most delicious foods in the world. Hey, food lovers! Ever wondered what the most delicious dishes in the world taste like? Today, we're diving into the 7 most mouth-watering foods from across the globe. From creamy Italian pasta to spicy Thai street food, I'll show you the ingredients, the steps, and the secrets to make them at home. Grab a snack, because you're gonna get hungry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty adventures. Dish 1. Italian Carbonara. First up, spaghetti carbonara from Italy, a creamy, dreamy classic. Forget cream. Real carbonara is all about simplicity. Ingredients: 200 grams spaghetti, 100 g pancetta or guanciale, 2 large eggs, 50 g pecorino romano cheese, black pepper, salt. Steps: boil spaghetti in salted water until al dente. Fry pancetta until crispy. Save some fat. Whisk eggs with grated pecorino and a pinch of pepper. Drain pasta, mix with pancetta off heat, then stir in egg mixture. The residual heat creates a creamy sauce. Serve with extra cheese and pepper. Tip: never add cream. It's all about the eggs and cheese for that silky texture. Hungry yet? Let's jet to Thailand. Dish 2. Thai som tam. Next, som tam. Thailand's spicy papaya salad that's a flavor explosion. Ingredients: 1 green papaya, shredded 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 2 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon palm sugar, 2-3 Thai chilies, 1 garlic clove, cherry tomatoes, roasted peanuts. Steps: pound chilies and garlic in a mortar. Add palm sugar, fish sauce, and lime juice, mix to dissolve. Toss in shredded papaya and have tomatoes, pound lightly. Top with peanuts and serve fresh. Adjust the chilies to your spice level. This dish is all about balance. Now, let's head to Japan for some umami magic. Dish 3. Japanese sushi. Nigiri sushi from Japan. Fresh, simple, and oh so delicious. Ingredients: sushi-grade raw fish, tuna or salmon, 1 cup sushi rice, 2 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, pinch of salt, nori, soy sauce, wasabi. Steps: cook rice, then season with vinegar, sugar, and salt mixture. Slice fish thinly, use a sharp knife. Shape rice into small ovals with wet hands. Place fish slice on rice, press gently. Serve with soy sauce and wasabi. Tip: buy sushi-grade fish from a trusted source for safety and flavor. Craving something hearty? Let's go to India. Dish 4. Indian butter chicken. Butter chicken, India's creamy, spiced masterpiece. Ingredients: 500 grams chicken breast, cubed 1 cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons tandoori masala, 1 cup tomato puree, 100 milliliters heavy cream, 2 tablespoon butter, garlic, ginger, garam masala. Steps: marinate chicken in yogurt and tandoori masala for 1 hour. Grill or pan fry chicken until charred. Sauté garlic, ginger, and tomato puree. Add garam masala. Stir in cream and butter, then add chicken. Simmer 10 minutes. Serve with naan or rice. Tip: marinate overnight for extra flavor. Now, let's talk about Mexico. Dish 5. Mexican tacos al pastor. Tacos al pastor, Mexico's street food gem with sweet and savory vibes. Ingredients: 500 grams pork shoulder, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoon achiote paste, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1/2 cup pineapple juiced corn tortillas, diced pineapple, onion, cilantro. Steps: marinate pork in achiote, chili, and pineapple juice for 2 hours. Grill or pan fry pork with pineapple chunks. Warm tortillas, then stack with pork, pineapple, onion, and cilantro. Serve with lime wedges. Tip: fresh tortillas make all the difference. Ready for comfort food? Let's visit the USA. Dish 6. American mac and cheese. Mac and cheese, America's ultimate comfort food. Ingredients: 300 grams elbow macaroni, 2 cups cheddar cheese, grated 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoons flour, 2 cups milk, breadcrumbs. Optional. Steps: cook macaroni until al dente. Melt butter, stir in flour, then slowly add milk to make a roux. Add cheese to create a smooth sauce. Mix in macaroni, top with breadcrumbs, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Optional. Serve hot and cheesy. Tip: mix in cheeses like Gouda or Parmesan for extra depth. Finally, a sweet treat from France. Dish 7. French crème brûlée. Crème brûlée, France's silky dessert with a crunchy twist. Ingredients: 4 egg yolks, 2 cups heavy cream, 1/2 cup sugar plus extra for topping, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Steps: heat cream and vanilla until steaming, don't boil. Whisk egg yolks with sugar, then slowly add warm cream. Pour into ramekins, bake in a water bath at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Chill 4 hours, then sprinkle sugar on top and torch until caramelized. Crack and enjoy. Tip: use a kitchen torch for that perfect crispy top. There you have it. 7 of the world's most delicious foods you can make at home. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, and let's keep the foodie vibes going. Like, subscribe, and share this with your food-loving friends. See you in the next tasty adventure.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future ideas that challenge us to think outside the box. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, and don't forget to always maintain that curiosity that drives progress. Also, explore even more fascinating content on our channel. From life-changing tips and cutting-edge technology, to the mysteries of spirituality, travel to various countries, delicious recipes, health hacks, and language learning, there's something here to spark your curiosity and elevate your life. Dive in and discover a world of knowledge awaits us.